And welcome back. Jamaica Cricket Association President Wilfred Billy Heaven and CEO of Grace Kennedy, Senator Don Webby, have been brought in to help revive the pockets of cricket West Indies as new President Ricky Skerritt continues his push to restructure the regional body.
Campaigned on a 10-point plan, which included the need for greater transparency and commitment, as he promised to adopt a leadership style entrenched in good governance, performance and principle. And in keeping with his mandate, Skerritt has turned to the JCA president, who will chair the board's finance committee.
Of course, my background, as you know, is accounts and finance and risk management. So anything along my strength, I'm always prepared to do it. I want to make the point, though, that I'm not doing it for Billy Heaven. I'm doing it for the sake of CWI. And if my skills and my expertise are so recognized, then I'll be happy to serve.
The board has also sought the service of Grace Kennedy CEO Don Webby, who will head the task force on corporate governance.
In the previous, before I was the chairman of the Audit, Risk and Compliance Committee, a corporate governance committee was formed specifically to look at 5 reports to see how we can implement those recommendations. So, you know, the Patterson report, the Wilkins report, and there are others. So we, at that time, engaged PricewaterhouseCoopers, and they did a pretty good report. Based on the briefing that I got from the new president, not much was done in terms of implementation. So he has asked me to chair the Corporate Governance Committee to ensure that the recommendations of these reports are implemented.
One of the areas the task force may investigate is the spending of the previous administration.
The terms of reference has not been finalized. My main task at the start is to look at all the reports that were previously done to strengthen the governance structure, and then we'll take it from there. You know, because I can share with you, when Pricewaterhouse did this study, which is we had agreed that it was going to be an independent study by independent directors, which I chaired at the time, there were some findings in that report, the consolidated report, that the implementation of these recommendations were relatively low.
During his visit, Skerritt also had a meeting at the University of the West Indies to discuss the reopening of the High Performance Center. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.